Kwento ko lang sa inyo kasi nagulat din ako. Nung na-invite kami sa isang culinary event held at Guevara's by Chef Laudico and Chef Jack, di ba matindi? Ito pa matindi yung guest nila, si Chef Mark and Chef Princess. Both are culinary champions abroad, o di ba mabigat? And we're lucky enough to see their cooking demo. Ang dami kong natutunan.
One of my winning tastes is the lechon, like a cuchinillo. We will make it like a pork belly roll.
Alam nyo, akala ko ang galing ko na mag-lechon roll. Pero nung pinakita ni Chef Princess, yung style and yung recipe niya, feeling ko ito na yung gagawin natin. Para feeling world-class culinary chef din tayo. Pero kung gusto nyo tikman, I think available to sa buffet ng Guevara's. Pero syempre, tatry nating i-remake yan. Don't worry, gagawa tayo ng version natin yan. And here's my favorite part, si Chef Mark nakuha. A world-class pastry chef, nag-demo sa harap ko. Kaya may imagine nyo kung gaano kasaya niyan. Kasi alam nyo naman na frustrated baker ang mima nyo. And this piña colada pavlova is genius. And after that, syempre, diretso tayo sa buffet ng Guevara's. It's our first time going here, pero feeling ko hindi to yung last. They have a wide variety of Filipino dishes na sana matikman nyo din kasi masasarapan kayo. Na-focus yata ako dito sa desserts. Si leche plan pa lang sobrang soft. And their steamed eggs with malunggay, caldereta, lechon roll, kare-kare ang dami. Pati si Chef Laudico, nag-demo ng poke-poke niya. And we are beyond grateful to have been invited to this kind of event. Thank you so much, Guevara's by Chef Laudico. Here's their address if you wanna go. Anong unahin natin na recipe? Yung lechon roll or yung pavlova? Comment nyo.